Hey guys, so today is Sunday. I just had a nice shower, just put my hair up in a bun, put a little bit of something on my face, not much at all. We're hoping to go to the beach this afternoon if the weather stays nice. Not sure if it will or not, but yeah, we're hoping to go to the beach today. We've got a lot of beaches around us in Norfolk, so we've got Yarmouth, we've got 𝓚𝓲𝓶𝓫𝓮𝓵, Wells, Cromer, Sheringham, Hemsby, Seapawling, Horsey Beach. There's loads. So we're gonna go to one of them, not sure which one, but we are going to go somewhere. If it starts to rain, then we'll probably find something else to do. But yeah, I am filming on the new Canon G7X, so let me know what you think of the quality. Got Miss Sophia there, she's ready to go to the beach. Got to do your hair, lovey.
Yeah, my armpits stink.
What?
My armpits.
Oh, go get a wash. Disgusting. It's because you're running around and getting all sweaty, smelly. So yeah, so Sophia's armpits stink apparently. So she needs to get them sorted. But yeah, we're going to go to the beach or go somewhere this afternoon. So wherever we go, we're going to take you along with us. And what?
I found my goggles.
We're not taking goggles.
My goggles.
You're not taking goggles.
What if I fall over?
You won't. You're not taking goggles. Stop being silly. Go on. So yeah, so we're going to take you along with us to whatever we do today. And yeah, we got a bit close there. So yeah, but like I said, I'm filming on my new Canon G7X, so let me know what you think of the quality. I'm thinking it's going to be a lot better, but you never can tell, can you? So yeah, so just let me know what you think. Still debating on changing the channel name back or to something else, or I might stick with just the winging life as a mum of two. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think, please, in the comments. And yeah, hopefully we can get some good vlogs up now. Again, I still can't promise it's going to be every day, but I'm going to try my best to vlog as much as possible. So yeah, I'm going to go downstairs, find out what all this lot are doing. Hopefully they haven't trashed the place before we leave. And we'll catch up with you guys in a bit. Jackson, say hi to the vlog. Say hi guys.
Hi guys.
Tell everyone, what's your name? What's your name?
Jackson Rose.
Jackson Rose. What you got? Sausage roll. And you got some what's-its. Where are we going today, Jackson?
Why?
Where are we going?
Wednesday.
Where are we going?
Wednesday.
It's not Wednesday, it's Sunday. Where are we going today?
Sunday.
We're going to the beach. Are we going to the beach? Say love you. Oh, he's brushing his hair.
With my wife.
Jackson.
What are you doing?
Say love you. No. What are you doing? Jackson, what you got?
Bold.
You're bold. What you got?
Bold.
Bold.
A boldy.
What's Sophia got?
A boldy.
She's a boldy. You're a boldy, Sophia.
Oh no, not.
You got Uncle Stephen over there painting his
Models.
Warhammer.
One hammer.
Sophia's got her little ones.
Computer and my other one.
You can just play it on the computer or something.
Yeah.
They can play it on the computer.
They can kill.
Yeah, they could kill each other.
Yeah.
We need to get a new cover for that iron board. Just do me head in now.
What are you doing?
Filming you.
Why?
It's fun. Jackson's hiding. Bebo. I see you. We see you. Hi, Katana. Tim, Sophia. Jackson. Say hi. What are we doing, Autumn?
We are going to be in the ocean.
Arcade. What beach are we at? What beach are we at?
Yeah, I forgot.
You doing, Sophia? Jackson, you got money? What are you trying to get, baby? Get your thing out then. Hold it on there. You need to push this to start. Sophia wanna, what's it, a puppet?
Yes.
Octopus puppet.
Oh, it's called a simple dimple.
A simple dimple.
Yeah, but it can also be a puppet.
Oh, okay.
Oh, the whole thing flipped as well.
What thing?
The octopus can be sad or happy.
I see you. You're gonna have lunch, tea? Lunch, tea? Dinner? Oh, what are you having? Sausage and chips. Sophia, what are you having?
Sausage and chips.
Autumn, what are you having? Tana, what are you having?
Sausage and chips and mashed peas.
And the twins are having corn and chips.
Yep, the twins.
You're dripping ice cream all over me as well. Sophia's got, what ice cream you got, Sophia?
Salt caramel.
Autumn.
Bubblegum.
And she's got it everywhere.
Yeah. I got what I stuffed down.
Daddy's got peanut butter. Ugh. You got, Tana, what ice cream have you got? And what's with the second one?
It's my dad's.
Uh-huh. Where's Jackson? Here he comes. Jackson! What ice cream you got? What ice cream did Jackson get?
Chocolate.
Chocolate, yummy. You cold?
Yeah.
So we are home now. We've had a nice day at the beach. Went in the arcades, had some dinner, kids had an ice cream, and then I got too cold, so we decided to head back to the car and head home. Took us just over an hour to get home, so all the kids are pretty tired. We're now gonna have a cup of tea, get the kids sorted and ready for bed, and then just chill out. So I'm gonna end the vlog here, guys, and say I hope you've enjoyed it. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe, leave a comment if you can as well. And yeah, you wanna say bye?
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
I had a long drive in the car.
Yeah. Well, Daddy had a long drive. You just sat there.
Yeah, but it was a long drive.
Yeah.
My face looks red.
No. Tired.
No.
Anyway, we're gonna go now. Gonna end the vlog here.
Yeah, because I'm cold.
I'll say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Thanks for watching.
Yeah, thank you.
See you again soon.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
We're vlogging way more now. Goodbye. Body.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Leave
now.
a comment if you can.
Leave a comment if you can.
And we'll see you in the next one.
Yeah. And what I have realised is that we've been doing way more vlogs and the videos have had way more quality than our last one. Because the lighting was really bad on it. But on this one, the lighting like actually shows the real lighting. But then that other one when you were on holiday, it made you look orange. And you weren't orange.
Yeah.
So yeah, we have better quality.
What she said. Jackson's talking about eating all his ice cream. Anyway, we're gonna leave it here, guys, and we will see you again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye. Steve says bye.